this money on my mind.
What's good everyone, it's Dish Panther here. Today we are finally going to be starting the stage 2 prep for the Polo GTI. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right, so technically I have already done one video for the stage 2 prep, which was the racing line induction kit, but you only really could need that for stage 1 as well, so we're not really going to count that. So this is officially the first part of the stage 2 prep series, and I'm going to be going stage 2 on the 30th of September at KWJ Performance. Shout out to them and shout out to Hash, he is helping me out, sorting me out. But today we're going to be doing the NGK Racing Competition spark plugs. Without further ado, let's show you the spark plugs, and then we're going to get into it, and then I'll time lapse us fitting it, and then talk to you after about if they fix my misfire and the vibrations and a couple of things, just nittily things that I'm having problems with at the moment. But yeah, let's have a look at them. Okay, so here we have the NGK Racing Competition spark plugs. If you guys do want these, I will leave the link. That is the number for them. I got these from Progressive Parts. Shout out to them. They're not doing anything, but I just thought I'd shout them out because they're literally DPD next day. But yeah, so these are the spark plugs you need for your Polo GTI 6C. They fit all EA 333 engines, but I am putting them on, obviously, if you guys know, the Polo GTI. 4 in the pack, obviously you choose how many you want, but obviously the car is a 4-cylinder, so you need 4 spark plugs. There you go, look at that. That is the NGK Iridium spark plugs that you guys need for stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. These are honestly the best spark plugs that I got recommended to use. Brand new, need no sealant for these because these are chromey silver, so you don't need to seal these at all. Literally a straight fit, well, hopefully should be a straight fit. Yeah, these are sexy. They already come pre-gapped. If it come of, there you go, these are already been pre-gapped, so you don't even need to gap them. So yeah, these are going to be sick. But yeah, in less of the jibber jabber, let's go outside, let's get you guys on the tripod, and let's get a time lapse of me fitting them with my dad. And yeah, then we can get into it, go for a little drive, make sure they're running all right. I have also got a surprise in this video, so stick to the POV drive towards the end so you guys can hear what I've done to the car, because we're back. The ASBO DSG Panther is back. Alright guys, so we just actually tried to fit the spark plugs. We actually need a 16mm plugged socket because it's really deep inside the thing. So I'm going to show you what we've brought, and then we're going to go and fit it. So let's have a look. So this is the kit that you will need. You need the 16mm. Can you guys see? I will leave the link in the description to the whole kit. You literally get this and that. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys do want to go and cop it. But yeah, let's go outside. Let's go fit the spark plugs for stage 2 prep. Okay everyone, we are now in engine bay. My dad is just literally undoing, me and my dad were literally just undoing the bolts on top of the coil packs. Literally just undo them. You can see them there exactly how to do it. It's really not that complicated. Undo them, there's 4 of them, and then you just got to dig them up a little bit, and they literally just move out the way, and then you can start unscrewing the actual spark plugs with the screw set, which I leave the link in the description. You literally just screw away to the left as you would normally do with a normal just wrench or whatever. And yeah, so here is the first coil that came out. Now these are original NGK ones from VW. They do look a little bit burnt, a little bit cracked in them, but nothing too bad. But yeah, here's the second one coming out. There you go. They're not the worst, but they're not the best. Definitely need upgrading, and this is the second to last one just coming out. There you go, look at that, horrible. And then this is the last one. So yeah, they literally come out not too hard, and then you just a reverse thing of what you've already done. They literally just go back in, make sure you just tighten them up, but not too tight. If you do it too tight, then you might mess them up. So just do it until it stops you pushing it in anymore, and then you just redo what you already done to take the coil packs out. So yeah, I hope this helped, guys. Let's get into the startup and the driving video. Turn her on, see what happens. Let's see what's what. Let's see if it blows up. It'll blow up. Alright guys, we have now fitted the NGK spark plugs. We're just going to go out for a test drive quick to make sure everything is all good. So yeah, I'll catch you when we are on roads. Everything seems alright though. POV drives and driving videos. Wow, it feels smooth. Yeah, wow. Feels a lot smoother, guys, honestly. Even with this kit on it. Feels a lot smoother still. Feels a lot smoother. I can't lie, guys, this kit feels insane, man. Honestly, if you guys have a Polo GTI, get these spark plugs. It feels hella smoother. Yeah, let's give it some beams. But yeah, let's see what bad, fam. It is bad. Hey, nah, people, I'm sorry, but this car is bad. Bad is Polo. Oh my god, this thing's mental, bruv. Honestly, people, let's do a second gear pull. No, we ain't doing no pulls then. She chose the worst road to come down and record a video, I swear. Especially in a fucking low Polo G. I used to come down the roads that I'm on now all the time, and they used to be fine, but literally, boys, if you lot saw what the road is like now, boys, it changed big time, fam. You know, still. You can't even go anywhere. Let's go. Oh my god. That is the baddest Polo GTI in the UK, fam. I don't care what you say, fam. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next stage 2 prep video if there is one. This might be it now, but yeah, peace.